You'll wish you saw this yesterday. That's something actually that I say sometimes. And today it is so true. And I want to tell you why. It's been an interesting couple of days for me. I've been pushing, editing, fixing files, checking pricing, fixing them again, and then fixing them again after that. Really trying to make sure that everything lined up. All because I wanted to get my new book, Self-Publishing from Scratch, out into the world, y'all. I wanted it out there in the right way. And today, I finally held the hardcover in my hands. This is it. It's real, it's beautiful, and I'm not going to lie. This alone made me emotional after waiting 3 weeks to get it. But here's the part most people don't see. While I was celebrating this, something else happened. The book actually started charting on Amazon, and it's ranking in my categories. People are actually finding it, and that's great. But I need to tell you the truth about that, because people keep saying to me, "Hey, Dr. Key, you're really doing it. Congratulations. I'm so proud of you. That's crazy." And I appreciate all of that. I mean, I really do. But actually getting this book to show up on Amazon the way it's showing up did not start with Amazon. It wasn't luck. It wasn't an algorithm blessing me out of nowhere, y'all. It started with choices I had to make before this book was ever printed. Things like how I decided to handle my ISBNs, how I set up pricing, how I decided as far as which platforms I choose and why, and how I would position my book so that it could be searchable and not get buried with the millions of books that are out there. Nobody told me these parts. I had to figure them out the hard way. And I'll tell you something else about this. Those small decisions are the difference between having a book you're proud of and having a book people actually can find. And that's why I wrote Self-Publishing from Scratch the way I did. Because this is not theory. It's literally the checklist, the process, the decisions, the setup, the strategy that helped me get from I have a book idea to my book is ranking and I'm holding the hardcover in my hands. So if you've been saying, "I want to write my book, I just don't know where to start, I don't want to mess it up," I'm telling you right now, start here. Get this book, use it, take the guesswork out of it, and give yourself a real shot at being seen. Because the truth is, becoming an author is bigger than writing words. Becoming an author is learning how to stand your book up in the world and making sure your story can be told. And this book helps get you there through trial and error, lessons learned, and the research that I had to find. Self-Publishing from Scratch, a practical guide for authors to publish successfully. Get the book. I'll put the link in the comments or the description so that you can have it. This is your guide. Get it.